Greetings, Tom Eckert coming at you live. Arbuckle area, little state park. Great extractive resources up here, flying a gravel quarry. Some of our friends down in Texas. Thank you, Arbuckle Mountains. Thank you, God. Beautiful creation. One of these things is not like the other. One of these things doesn't belong. When you're flying photogrammetry, these are pixels. These are a representation of how the model gets built. When you do a 3D surface, it's like stacking up cards. In fact, I tried this at home. Now, kids, don't go to the Dollar Tree and buy this, but this is pretty much how the pixels stack up when you fly them with the UAV. It's like a house of cards. They're actually vertical instead of horizontal. You think of them laying out because on our two-dimensional world of photos, we think, hey, that's a good surface model there, and you think you can meet minimum technical standards. And a couple of the components I want to point out: luminosity. There's an albedo effect. When there's too much white, it goes into the camera. It basically removes the white balance, the luminosity, the contrast components. The YCRBC format, that actually is what is the resultant of the RGB sensor, the CCD that's inside the cameras. It can't handle too much white. Concrete has a tendency to have a glow, and it's called the albedo effect. When you do get something that's unique, you can move them around, and what you're looking for is multiple objects that, well, let me see, that fits together, but that may not be really the pattern. You've got some edge matching going on, and so that's a function of precision and accuracy. The camera is actually shooting in a spherical or circular reticle, and when a light goes through, there's a vignette effect. So the outsides here, where these touch points are weak anyway. They're blurred. There's a Gaussian blur that actually affects. So we don't know if that really is connecting on all the components. And so the software, to kick something out, especially if we process in the cloud, is going to have a resultant. It'll be, say, camera rectification parameters, scale and rotation. There'll be a bunch of statistics that go on to tell you if these actually fit. That's what you get when you fly UAV photogrammetry if you can't distinguish the pixels. Airframe's important, gimbal's important. What's important is that CCD, the sensor, fixed glass, constant f-stops, white balance, ISO speeds. Get it spot on when you fly, and there'll be lots of treats down the road for you. This is Tom Eckert. Thanks for watching. More to come.